Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys Infinix phone find my device setting guys, how can we on and use. Friends, you want to own guys your Infinix phone find my device settings, so friend, how to own and how to use find my device. Today friends, we will talk about. So guys, we will on our phone setting. After on phone setting we will search here direct guys phone find my device guys. We will search here guys phone find my device setting guys. We will search here. As you can see phone find my device setting guys, you can on from here. Then direct guys we can on my phone find my device setting from here. After on guys you can see video use find my device setting guys. Find my device help you locate this device remotely. If you lose this device, it also helps you keep your data safe. So like that guys you can on, and guys you want to track your phone, so guys you can track is your find my device is on. So like that guys you can on, and you can use your Infinix on my phone find my device setting. So bye guys.